Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rosa, aka Thairapy. Did y'all see the movement, the bounce? So you know what you're in store for. Yes. I don't know, these products, there's just something about these products that just give me life. I don't know if it's the way it makes my hair look. I don't know if it's the way it makes my hair smell. I don't know. It's just something about the Bask and Bloom products that just make me so happy. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved these. This look. Cute little braided detail. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So in today's video, we're going to be using the conditioner, the twirly hair gel, castor twisting cream by stimulating herbal oil. Alrighty, so first thing I did was I'm going to part off the top half of my hair, which I am doing here. I don't know about y'all, but I suck at parting. Like my parting, for the amount of time that I've been doing my own hair, you would think my parting skills would have been a lot better by now. But I still struggle. So I finally have my section parted off. And the next thing I'm going to do is create my first part for my braid in the middle. So just making it symmetrical. And then once I get this parted off, the next thing I like to do, at least for me, I have nails on, one, and my hair is still kind of damp at this point, and it's hard for me to cornrow damp hair. So I'm going to end up bringing out my blow dryer and blasting it with some warm heat to kind of dry it and straighten it out a little bit so it's easier for me to braid. I believe I put a little bit of the mango cream on my hair before I blow dried it. Out, it'll be easier for me to braid. I'm putting a little bit of edge control at the start of my braid. It kind of helps it make it a little bit neater. And I'm going to braid this section towards my face. Take my time. This is sped up a little bit, but yeah, for this to be sped up, this looks like real time. But yeah, I'm going to braid that down. So once I get it to the starting point of my hair, my edges, what I did was took one strand for one side and one strand for the other, and I split equally the third strand and put it over to the side to wait to be braided. So now I'm parting off the section along my edges. And I am going to repeat those same steps. I'm going to apply my mango twisting cream, and then I'm going to blow it out on medium heat, and then start to braid in using that hair from the first braid and braid down along the edges of my hair. In this clip, I don't believe I added edge control. I went back and added it, and then you'll see me adding it before I braid in the next clip. In a little tip, you'll see a little tip I have for those who kind of struggle with slaying their edges and braiding at the same time. So look out for that. Okay, so now I put some edge control on that side, and I'm going to add it first on this side. So I'm putting it in the areas that I want to slick down. I grab my brush and smooth that down. And then a little tip I like to do is to blast. Once I have my edges the way that I want them, I blast them with the blow dryer so that they dry up a little bit and they don't move as easily when I am gripping the hair and braiding the next cornrow. So now that the front is braided the way that I want, I'm going to start to braid up the back of my hair for our braid out part. I believe the order of the way that I applied the products was the mango twisting cream. Sorry, no, I put the Ease leave-in in my hair first. I did have to spray my hair with water first as I went along because my hair started to dry. So sprayed my hair with water, added my Ease leave-in conditioner, and then I went on top of that with a little bit of the mango twisting cream. And then on top of that, I applied a little bit of swirly hair gel. And that is the order of how I applied the products, if anyone was interested in knowing the order. So once I apply my products, I make sure that my hair is nice and detangled before I start braiding to ensure a smooth and defined braid out. That is definitely the key, making sure that your hair is nice and smooth as you braid. And sometimes you have to stop midway through the braid and detangle it a little bit more. So I'm going to speed up through this section. So this is pretty straightforward. This is pretty straightforward for those who do braid out regularly. I am going to leave that part of my hair that's kind of enclosed in the braids. That part is going to be laid down flat with some more swirly hair gel and brushed down, and then I braided the ends of it so that it would be flat, if that makes sense. But yeah, this is the process, and I will come back on when I'm all braided up.
All right, so I am all braided up. My parts are looking a little trash, but got my braids in here. I need to see, I'm gonna count them for you guys so you can see how many I have. 17, 18, 19. I have 19 braids in. So this is gonna be very defined braid out. Probably less volume, more definition. And I'm gonna let it dry. Yeah, this is what I got so far. I think I'm gonna get some of those gold things as well and put them on there, and that'll be everything I do.
This is the takedown process now. I saw me put my stimulating herbal oil on my hands. You want to keep your hands nice and moisturized to prevent frizz. And I am taking my time and unraveling my braid. With these nails, it was a bit of a struggle, so I had to grab my rat tail comb, I believe, and kind of help me get through a couple of these. But yeah, the key for takedown is to take your time. Take your time. It's not a race. once I take out my braids, I believe I separated the curls, like each strand of the braids, maybe in half, no more than 3 times. I wasn't really going for volume on day one. I like to keep it nice and defined and let the volume grow gradually. So that is that process. And I will be back on when I have unraveled all of the braids. I'll be back.
All right, so this is the final look. I separated a couple of the strands, but not too many because I want this style to grow as the days go along. So this is what I am working with. Tons of definition, not as much volume, and I'm okay with that. I'm loving the definition. I want it to be more of a slick back type of look, something to get the curls off my face for this week. So yeah, all in all, I'm super happy with my results. The products smell amazing. First off, like everything in her whole collection, it just smells of awesomeness. And it's those like fruity, citrusy types of scents. So if you're really into those like I am, then this brand is definitely for you. Also, I currently do have a coupon code. So if you use the code right here, you can save some money on your purchase. So that makes it even better. These products are awesome. You're gonna get your money's worth. Like I've had mine before I became a brand ambassador for this brand. I've had mine for a couple months now and I've gotten a good amount of uses out of them. A little goes a long way with her products. And I don't know if I ever showed you guys the consistency, but let me show you. They're nice and thick and nice and moisturizing. So a little does go a long way. Yeah, so if you like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. If you have any questions about the style or the products that I use, leave them down below and I'll be sure to answer them for you. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, what's stopping you? What's stopping you? I have more bomb content coming, so you don't want to miss out on it. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video.